Hello friends, welcome to MSc Things. This video is a part of a series of videos under the title SQL for Beginners. This is a playlist which is available in our channel. You can check it out for remaining sequence of videos. In this video, we'll be looking into how to display the contents of the table and what all ways are there and how we can filter out the views, and we'll see them clearly. So for that we will have to ensure that we are correct database and the database is having our table. So I'll go with the statement select star from sys.tables will give me all the tables present in the current database. So there are two tables, one is class, the other one is food menu. Now I would like to see the contents of the table class, like what are there inside the table. So for that the command is select star from class. So this is the table of class which is having three columns. One is roll number, name and age, and these are the various records or the tuples present inside the table. Now this is the whole view of the table. When I select this command, which means select star gives you everything, like what all the contents of the table, which gives you all the contents. Now I want only some rows. Say I want only roll number. Select roll from class. By this I'll filter out, like I want only roll numbers of the table, I can get like this. Or I'll like age, select age from class. This will give me only the column age from the entire table. See, otherwise I want roll number and age from the class. See, by this what I mean to say is we can filter out the output, like as in what you want. You don't want the entire table, you only want a particular column or a group of columns from the table. You can get it. This is how to use the select statement. If you like this video and if you are gaining some knowledge from this, please do hit like and subscribe. Thank you.